faccia, la postura, la donna. È stata molto amata e criticata.
Yeah, much better on the side of the phone actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mañana saldrá su
It's nice with this camera, you know, it's like you just go like this and then you can just move around, you know.
You like dog right now?
Così tutto dritto, eh? Arriviamo a all'obelisco lì giù.
Sorry.
L'obelisco lì al fondo.
Yes. Yeah. It's your friend.
L'obelisco lì al fondo è spiazza.
Fine. We go together by Insta360.
Yes. But it's very good because we like to travel and now we go to Philippines as well.
Yes.
We are very good.
Should buy one more big memory card for Philippines.
Yeah. It's a good idea.
Seagull. Haven't seen those in a while.
Wow, look at this. You have the guard here. I want to photo with this guys. I think it's Vatican.
Aquí día la vimos también, estuvimos, justo pasamos por al lado de Vaticano, ¿te acuerdas?
Can you go near them and take photo?
I doubt it. I wouldn't go past the chains.
I wonder what is that.
Wow, look at that guy in the middle.
Wow. So they're gonna stay there all time?
I think they have a certain amount of hours that they stay like that.
Look, Ragnar, there's a guard to Halo. What? Higher taxes fees, but it's cheaper, right?
Exactly, the cost of living is so much cheaper. You can buy these foods and stuff, it's very much cheaper. So that's why intuitively it seems that oh, Malta better because you have lower taxes, but then the cost of living is very much higher. Go! Speak Lithuanian.
Yeah, this street is very nice. I like the street.
Yes.
Yeah, here we can have. What? Higher taxes fees, but it's cheaper, right?
Exactly, the cost of living is so much cheaper. You can buy these foods and stuff, it's very much cheaper. So that's why intuitively it seems that oh, Malta better because you have lower taxes, but then the cost of living is very much higher. Go, speak Lithuanian.
Yeah, this street is very nice. I like the street.
Yes.
Ang restaurante there. It's very nice, this road as well. They have restaurant there as well, down the road.
We go there?
I don't know, you want to go there? It's better, it's quiet, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
We have the Fontana behind the drums.
That is good.
You
Yeah,
want-
this way we go.
You want to walk right now?
I want to have a photo here as well. Wait, Ragnar, wait. Hold the other side, other hand. Here. Come here. Oh no. Yeah, I think it's a shopping street big. Stores here.
I wonder what's the rent here.
Hmm?
I wonder what's the monthly rent here.
Too much. No.
Look like that.
Wow, Mickey Mouse. Hello, Mickey. It's a Mickey Mouse store. Oh, look.
This is the Stitch from Lilo and Stitch.
Oh, so you can even walk here, babe. No one, there's no car really gonna pass here.
You think so?
I think so, because everyone is in the center, babe. So maybe you don't allow cars here.
I like to walk in the streets. Should I go in here and show them my glasses? Chestnut. Do you remember we bought this?
Yeah. Do you know where we go?
Yes. Very close now.
Sabe quando deu trem relógio?
The jeans. It's supposed to be somewhere close to here. Oh, look at that one step.
I think that's the Spanish steps.
You think so?
Yeah, because there's some steps, right?
That's nice over there.
Yeah, we can go there after.
We should go here.
That's the one you just said was nice.
Careful, there's a car. Yeah, I think we're gonna pass a lot of nice place here.
Nice. It's hot as well, but it's not even, no, it's different, isn't it? If you compare Malta, it hurts more the sun. Like, yeah, that feels that bad. Like, you don't feel that you get so much radiation here, that's what I feel. It's more painful to stay in the sun in Malta.
Yeah.
Welcome back, Ragnar. Nice to see you.
You want some bread, Ragnar? It's mine.